Yo, what is up? Back with another vid. Went to explore the river a little bit today. Yeah, it was a fun day, but a little, had some struggling going on. Definitely struggled a little bit, but you gotta be prepared to struggle when you're going fishing, and it's just the way it goes. So, used some lures, didn't really have luck on them. Worms and bluegill were the answer. If you're about live bait, definitely drop a like. And if you like the video, I appreciate it. If you do like it, possibly subscribe. Anyone who's liked videos, watched them, or subscribed, really appreciate that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's bend the pole. Alrighty, we're at the spot, and I guess we'll see what to do first. Probably throw out a night crawler, try and catch live bait. Already got a crankbait tied on, so we'll throw that around for sure. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're just gonna try some things out. Spot's really cool, slightly secluded, but not really. We're just gonna give it a good go. See if something budges. Big update since the last time I filmed. Came to a different spot. There's a bluegill on this pole. Something definitely just grabbed it. I don't know if he still has it, but it was definitely a fish of some sort. Haven't really been filming. Nothing's been going on. Don't even know if I'll include the footage prior to this. Maybe we'll just start the video here. Been fishing for like 2.5. Crawlers, lures, live bait, cut bait. Nothing's really happening besides a couple snags. So let's see what bluegill looks like. Let's see what you look like, dude. Something definitely grabbed him head first. He was in something's mouth. I'm just gonna whale him back out there. I'm gonna situate my reality. I'll be back soon, hopefully with something big. All right, we got one. Came back for it. Doesn't feel like super giant at all. Oh, he might have spit it. I think he's just running at me. I was just about to throw out the other pool. Little fighter guy. He's definitely pissed. This guy's strong for not being a giant. I guess he just engulfed that bluegill. Come on, man. You're not that big. I'm just happy that we linked up, honestly. He's really not bad, actually. He's a little bigger than I thought. Come on, man. Yeah, he's not bad at all. Come on, buddy. Alright. That's cool. Finally linked up. I'm happy about it. Hey, pal. Don't want to get spined. Cool, he was like barely hooked. Nothing crazy, but let him go. Alright, sick. Something seems to be messing with the cut bait, but it's probably tiny because it's not really doing anything special. Oh no, it's a freaking snapper. Son of a gun, dude. He's straight hooked too. Damn it. Damn it, dude. Now I gotta get the hook out of this poor guy. Pretty big hook too, I feel bad. I mean, he's ripping dry. Definitely not what we want. This guy's diesel. Come here, man. Let me help you out. Let me try to. He's a freaking tank. See all these air bubbles. No more drag ripping, dude. Let's just get this. Let's get this over with. Let me just try and help you. This is like the downside of fishing for kitties or cut bait, or even just like live bluegills. He was just right here. Now he's like going all the way back. He literally choked it. I feel so bad. I think I'm just gonna have to cut it. Come here, dude. Let me just he's like swallowed the hook already, pretty much. I feel so bad, but there's no way I'm gonna get it out. Sorry, buddy. Poor dude. Damn, it sucks. He straight up swallowed that whole jig head. I don't know if that guy's gonna survive, and if he does, he's a legend. So I'm pretty much on a ledge, which is not that great, but we're gonna give something a shot for a bit. Not trying to fall in. All right, we got something. Don't know what it is, kitty or carp, but we did. Could just be a carp. I was pretty sick, just moved down through an old crusty night crawler. Something ate it, like 5 feet in front of us. What are you? Trying to see him. No weight, nothing, just a weightless night crawler. I think it's a kitty. Can't really tell. It's a decent channel. Yeah, he's not bad at all. I think he's bigger than the last one. Come on, dude. Definitely can't be flipping him up. Not with 6-pound T. Not bad. Little diesel guy. Relax, buddy. Alright, let me try and grab him without eating shit and falling in. Can't really do much here. I'm in a pretty shitty position on a ledge, so I guess this is the best view you're gonna get of him. Biggest fish of the day. Didn't really catch any fish today, so it doesn't say much, but I'm happy with it. Pretty much instant bite. So, yeah. Going back. Alright, cool. Pretty shitty release, but like I said, I'm on kind of like an incline, so don't want to fall in and eat shit, but hell yeah. Stoked with that. Makes me happy. Cool. Maybe we can catch another one. Maybe that was the only one we're gonna catch over here, but we'll try. We will try again. That's the fuel to keep trying. And then you try for another 2 hours and nothing happens. Yep. Someone just nailed this. Little kitty. See you, buddy. Very random. So tangled in this. Not a bad crop. Could definitely eat them if you want them. But I don't want them. Yeah, so night crawlers are done, so now we're just gonna weasel back up. Weaseling back up. We'll give it a little bit. If not, that might be the end. So if it is the end, thanks for watching.